Hi, welcome, Simon here, and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to do a screen replacement on an Acer Aspire 3. The YouTube viewer that I had make a request for asking me to show him or her on how to do a screen replacement. Alright, so let me go ahead and identify the model here. As you can see, this is Acer Aspire 3 A315-33. That is the model for the laptop. And let's go ahead and get started with the screen replacement. Alright, as you can see that the screen here has a bezel, and the bezel is more likely a clip-on and double-sided tape. There's somewhat an adhesive tape that is taping down to the bezel. So you want to get a metal prying tool like so and try to go underneath that bezel, pry it open. So you need to pry up the clipper. You can hear that little cracking clipper sound. And once you have a good once you have both three sides removed, now we want to work at the bottom part. So you can push the laptop all the way down, so technically the screen can open flat like such. And now you want to remove with this cover altogether. But before I do that, I like to show it to you here at the screen in the back. That is the separation that you want to give it a little opening first. Like such. Okay, come back, open it flat, and try to see if you can lift it up. Okay, so the entire bezel together with this the U little shape thing, that is covering up the entire thing, so you need to lift it up as one piece together. Once you have done with that process, the next step is to remove the screen. Now here's the screen, and you can see that the screen has no screw that holding down the screen. In other words, it is held down by this adhesive tape here. So on the top right corner, you can see this little clip. What you want to do is to pull that string, that adhesive tape here. Just keep pulling. Okay, so you can just pull the thing off like such. That's the top right corner. Here comes the top left corner. It's the same concept. You need to keep pulling that. Alright, once you have removed that double-sided adhesive tape, you can put this on the side. Now the screen can actually come right off. Okay, so I'm lifting it toward my body, so tilt to myself. Get the metal prying tool. There's a little tape, and it's taping down the connector, so we need to separate that tape like such. Okay. And once the tape is removed away from the LCD screen, you're going to see that there's a little clipper right here. What you want to do is you want to flip it open. Okay, so there's a little clipper that clips onto the connector. Flip it open and slide the cable away from your body. So it's going to that direction. And now the screen will just came off. Alright. And here is the model number. If you take a closer look, it says N156 BGA-EA3 revision C1. Okay, so that is the screen model. And what I'll do is I'll link it down below. Please check the description down below where I'll link you to either Amazon or eBay where you can find a replacement screen, exact screen for this model here, so you can replace it. Also, you do need to buy this double-sided adhesive tape. Remember the white tape that we removed? This little tape here. So once we remove, we cannot reuse it again. Okay, so what you need to do is to get this here. This is a 5mm, 5mm. That is the width of the tape. Alright, the width of the tape. So what you want to do is you need to tape it down. You need to tape it down like so. Okay, and just kind of give it an extra length on the top here, because if you ever crack the screen again, the next person who come in and do a replacement, they know where to pull that tape again the next time. So give it a try, meaning that give it a little extra length and then tape it down like such. Okay. Sorry, I would say not there. It's on a metal plate. I apologize. I got distracted in a second ago, so I'm gonna tape it right there. Okay, cut it and then do the same on the right side of it. I'm not going to tape that much because this is just a demonstration for the viewer that requested for the screen replacement. But what I will do is I'll just cut a little bit. I can find my scissors. I couldn't find my scissors, so I'm just going to use this. Okay, I'm just going to tip it a little bit right there, but you should tip it all the way down to the very bottom. Okay, for demonstration purpose, I'm just going to cut it as little as that. So do it on both sides, left and right. And then what you want to do is to get ready for the new screen. So assuming that the new screen came in, so this is my new screen, assuming that it came in, what you want to do is install the flex cable, the LCD cable. This is the 30-pin cable, just so you know. Make sure the clipper is open. So this clipper, I'm referring to this metal clipper here. Make sure it's open. Push back. Now what you want to do is to slide this connector into the LCD. Use the clipper, close it down, secure the connector, and then pull the tape to tape it down. Alright, now remember that double-sided tape that we installed earlier. All you have to do is to align the screen like such. Okay, and then just let it sit and it would hold. Once the thing is held down properly, you just have to get the bezel back on like such. Okay, what I'll do is I'll work on the bottom part here first. Make sure that the cable is not in a way. Work on the bottom here first, press it down. So it's kind of like a clip on, everything clip back on, and you just got to press it down like so. Okay, that's pretty much it. Screen replacement for an Acer Aspire 3. And yeah, so if I do this type of tutorial video, if you have any question, comment down below. If you want me to make any if you want to make a request for any videos that you want me to help you with, just comment down below and And definitely, if you find this video is helpful, please go ahead and smash the like button for me. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and again, I appreciate for liking the video. And until next time, bye now.